Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise and powerful Zen master. He was known far and wide for his wisdom, kindness, and the deep respect he commanded from everyone around him. People from all walks of life would come to seek his guidance and learn from his teachings. One day, a young and ambitious villager approached the Zen master and said, "Master, I want to be respected by everyone in the village, just like you. Can you please teach me your secret?" The Zen master smiled warmly and replied, "Of course, young one. Respecting others begins with respecting yourself. Here are 10 habits that, if practiced with sincerity and dedication, will help you earn the respect you seek. Humility, be humble and treat others as equals. Acknowledge that everyone has something valuable to offer. Compassion, show genuine care and empathy towards others' joys and sorrows. Understand their feelings and be willing to lend a helping hand. Active listening, pay attention to others when they speak. Give them your undivided attention and refrain from interrupting or judging prematurely. Integrity, always be honest and true to your word. Let your actions reflect your values, and people will trust and respect you for your reliability. Open-mindedness, be open to new ideas, different perspectives, and constructive criticism. This willingness to learn will make others see you as approachable and wise. Gratitude, express gratitude and appreciation for the people around you and the blessings in your life. This will foster a positive and harmonious atmosphere. Generosity, share what you can, whether it's your time, knowledge, or resources. Acts of kindness resonate deeply with others. Forgiveness, learn to forgive others and yourself for past mistakes. Holding grudges only hinders growth and connection. Patience, practice patience in your interactions with others. Understand that everyone has their pace of understanding and growth. Lead by example, be the embodiment of the qualities you wish to see in others. Inspire them through your actions, not just your words. And so, the powerful Zen master's legacy continued, with his teachings and the transformed lives of those he inspired spreading far and wide throughout the village and beyond. The profound truth in his simple yet powerful habits of respect was a guiding light for generations to come.